I know you see me put a knife in this and taste it, all of that. Don't do it. I'm a little bit cuckoo.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moss. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now, for you guys on the list on the menu I've got today is tuna salad. Now, tuna salad obviously that consists of lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes and other stuff. But I was not able to get any tomatoes. As you already know, things are not looking well at the moment. Things are still a bit tight or tough to get a hold of onto. And tomatoes, in today's episode, that was my case. So bear with me. Let's see how it goes. Tuna salad. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, MosToosifar. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at MosToosifar as well. And enjoy the show. Right, guys. Here is the stuff that you need for your tuna salad. I'm going to tell you step by step. I don't know if you can see it all clearly or not here. I've got some tuna, of course, main thing. We've got some yogurt, lime juice, pepper and salt, lettuce, we've got cucumber and we've got pickled as well. Now, all of these, that's for the sauce. We'll go for it, don't worry. I'm not going to go into more details, just watch, right? What you're going to do, your lettuce, chop it in half, okay? We don't need the whole thing, it's a lot. Right. You want to dice it up nicely, okay? Very simple, very straightforward, and very healthy. That's that. Go for it in the middle. Done. Get that, chuck it in there, get in your bowl. Okay? That's so. Now, time for the pickle. Get them, dice them up nicely. Okay? Nothing so fancy. You can put more in, you can put less in. It doesn't matter, it's entirely up to you. Just depends how much you like them, or if you don't like them, you don't put them in. Right, that's so. Now, guys, bear in mind, I did mention in the video at the beginning, I don't have tomatoes, but you do need to have tomatoes in here. Just my luck. So, now, we're gonna get a cucumber, half of that, cut that bit off, we don't need that. What we're gonna do, we're gonna peel it. Look at that. There you go. See? Let it do its magic. Let it do its thing. Come on. Oops. Not bad. Right. That's done. Okay. Then what you want to do is cut it right down the middle. And then you want to just slice it up. Reasonably thin slices. You don't want it to be too thick. Okay? You don't want it to be too thin either. Let's go that. That's done. Get rid of that. Throw that all in there. Done. It really is a shame about the tomatoes. But anyway, we don't need that anymore. We can put all of this to the side. What we need now, this is 4 or 5 spoons, heavy spoons, I'm talking big spoons of yogurt, right? What you want to add to that is a bit of salt. Okay? And then you want to add some, open it, pepper. Get it in there. Camel boy. Get it in there. Right? That's done. And then you got your lime juice. This is the best stuff. Get it in there, boy. Okay. Another thing I forgot, we need olive oil. I'm back in a sec. Right, we've got the olive oil. Pour a little bit in there. Okay, let that be. What you want to do, stir it gently, because obviously it's going to splash everywhere. So take your time with it, don't make a mess everywhere. Eventually it will dilute down and then it will turn into a sauce. Now, simply because I'm making this a healthy meal, I'm using yogurt. Whereas if you want to make it obviously more tasty, and it tastes obviously a little bit better with mayonnaise. So another option, your fatty version, would be using mayonnaise instead of yogurt. But believe me, yogurt still tastes nice and it's obviously healthy as well. Even though my yogurt is 10% fat, but hell, there you go, right? Look at that, you want it to be a little bit, you see that? Right, it's still a bit, do a bit more. What you want to do, give it a taste. I'm going to put my finger in there. Put a little bit more salt in. Okay. I ain't got no more pepper, unfortunately. That's finished. So, no more pepper. Right. Give it a good old mix. Yeah, man. Do another taste. I'm gonna add some more lime juice. Oh, and guys, by the way, can I just say, I know you see me put a knife in this and taste it, all of that. Don't do it. I'm a little bit cuckoo, so it's not safe. Don't put a fork. Sorry, don't put a knife in something and put it in your mouth to try and taste it. Use a spoon like a normal person. Yeah, never mind. Don't do that. Don't do it. Be safe, guys. Right, let's see how this is gonna come out now. Can you guys see? I don't know if you can see that. Look at that, that's what I'm talking about. That's what you call a sauce. Right? Give it a final taste. Okay. Right. So shame about the tomatoes again. That's annoying. Anyway, what you want to do, get your tuna, pour it in, right? Get it all in there. You don't want to miss any out. Okay. Come on, hurry up. Like that. And now, time for the sauce. Time for the sauce. What you want to do, obviously there's quite a bit in there. If you need to, if you want to make it really saucy, you pour it in. If not, you put in as much as you like. Just so you know. Look at that. Get some bread and dip it in there. That's a nice dip. What you're going to do, just gently mix it, stir it, and then you got yourself your tuna salad. You can always add like peppers, green peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, whatever you like. You can add stuff to it as well. I just like it very simple and very basic, but you know, if there was a bit of tomatoes in there with the red, it would look so much nicer than what it is now, but not much I can do about it. If I can't get them, can't get them. Right, and there you are. That is your tuna salad. Another thing that would actually go nice with this is a bit of feta cheese, but it wouldn't be so healthy then, would it? So, stick to your basics. Don't try and add anything fatty to it. Tuna salad. There you have it. Let me bring it up to the camera. There you are, guys. There you go, guys. Tuna salad. Oh, hold on. That's your tuna salad. Enjoy. Bon appetit. See you next time, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, MosToosifar. Share, like, comment below, and let me know what you guys think. See you next time.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come